Hello everyone. In this tutorial video we will show how a Nagaland Building and other construction workers welfare board beneficiary can renew the membership online. Before we proceed, please make sure to have all the necessary documents. Refer the checklist in the screen as shown. Let's begin. Go to the official portal and navigate to Services and select the Renewal option from the menu. Enter the registration number and click on Get OTP. Enter the OTP received in the beneficiary registered mobile number. Please note that if the beneficiary mobile has changed, contact your concerned district DO to update the mobile number. On successful validation, it will redirect to next page. Select a year from the drop-down list. Enter the SREM number and upload the SREM card. Click the Submit button to complete the renewal. On successful renewal, it will show a confirmation message. That's it. This is how a beneficiary can renew the membership online. Thank you for watching.